Hey there! The hardest part of selling handmade isn't making the thing, it's working out whether you're actually making money on it after materials, time, and platform fees. Let me walk you through the craft and handmade product pricing calculator, tab by tab. Start on labor rate. Decide what your time is worth per hour, and every price in the workbook builds from it. Material inventory is your cost library, every material with its pack price and cost per unit, so recipes price themselves. Suppliers keeps who you buy from, their lead times and minimums, so restocking doesn't catch you out. Product pricing is the main event. Pick your materials, add your build time, and it gives you cost, suggested price, and margin. Batch pricing does the same for a production run, showing how per unit cost falls as batch size rises. Platform fees is the tab most makers skip. Etsy, Shopify, and market stall fees come off your margin, and this shows exactly how much. Break even tells you how many units you need to sell to cover your fixed costs each month. And the product catalog is your finished price list. Every product with its true cost and final price in one view. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.